The 4 must-watch movies for making money that will blow your mind. The majority of people haven't seen the last one. If you've watched one of them, you won't be poor in your life. If you've watched 2, your work efficiency will increase by at least 3 times. If you watch all 4 movies, you have a high chance of being wealthy in your life. If you can't remember all 4 movies at once, you can save this video and watch them later, one by one. These 4 movies have a significant impact on improving personal awareness and the ability to make money. 1. Undercover Billionaire. Witness an entrepreneur's incredible journey as they build an empire from scratch with just $100. This documentary series reveals the strategies and determination required for exceptional success. 2. My Money and Me. Explore the world of personal finance, where practical advice and relatable stories guide viewers towards informed financial decisions and long-term wealth. 3. Rich Brother, Poor Brother. This thought-provoking drama follows 2 brothers on diverging paths to financial prosperity, challenging traditional notions of success and prompting reflection. 4. Money Explained. Unveil the mysteries of finance in this engaging docu-series, where complex concepts are demystified, empowering viewers to navigate the intricacies of money management. Drop me a 100 if you watched this far.